My name's Dean Bohm. I'm in the sales department and I'm regional sales manager. I started at Longcliffe in 2014, finished college and had the opportunity to go to university, but I found the job advert, so I went for the job for a sales administrator and I've never looked back. I'd like to think of my role not as a stereotypical sales rep. We supply the animal feed sector and the glass industry due to the purity of our limestone. There's lots of applications that people think, wow, limestone goes into that. I went on to do the transport side of the business. From then, I went back into the sales office for a regional manager's role, which is a dream come true for me. So my day could entail in the morning going to see a glass customer and in the afternoon seeing a tile adhesive customer. The wide variety of industries we supply keeps me on my toes and makes every day exciting. The purity of our limestone is essential for meeting customer needs. There's a wide variety of checks that we have to do before we send a load out in order to comply to customers' requirements. For me, what sets Longcliffe apart is the family-run business and the family feel that I get within the quarry. Everybody knows each other. Longcliffe has supported me substantially throughout my career and I'm looking forward to growing with the company.